G'day and welcome to Down the Shed with Byron / a couple of mates. Now we're in the shed sorting out an old car. What's going on here, guys?
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, DJ from Automotive Carnage, and we've got Paul from Old School. How you going, boys?
Good, what's going on?
Yeah, what fantastic. Are we playing with today?
We're playing with some rust and it's a close formation of a car.
It looks like a car. Looks like a good old Torana. LC?
LC. Was that one? Yeah. I was pulling out the bush because you told me to.
Now, what's the story? You're going to drive this back to Sydney?
Yes, in about 3 weeks.
Pressure's on.
Pressure's on.
What? So, no pressure, guys, but let's get it sorted. We've also got some reinforcements to come and help us. The big little fella. The big fella. Why are you playing with the AU?
So we can paddle bash it.
You can't.
Yes, you can.
This is DJ's pride. What are you going to do to it, mate?
I just got to change the radiator.
Yeah.
And some of the hoses.
And why are we changing the radiator out?
Because we put a hole in it.
I reckon we need to pull that front end out, eh? Tie it to a tree and pull it back a bit so it doesn't rub on that power steering. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're going to get stuck into that, boys?
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, good job. Dirty thumbs up. Now I'm here just helping out and doing what I can do, but I'm also doing a little bit behind the scenes. So you're going to see a couple of like snippets where DJ's videoing or Paul from Old School's videoing, and I'll just sneak up and go, ooh.
Why? Why did you think of all the vehicles I pulled out of the bush, the Torana?
Oh, I love a challenge, and when I was a young bloke, I wanted an LC Torana.
We're doing another behind the scenes funny part. Hopefully you laugh. Oh, you ready? You remember what to say to DJ? Oh, go. Oh, I'll just go in the back and push down.
Yeah. Right, you call me over, I'll walk in, and then we'll go for it. Right, on you, Corey.
Wait, DJ, I heard you need
Oh, take two.
say.
No, say it first and then lift it.
Hey DJ, give us a hand to pull this engine out.
Yeah.
Hey DJ, come give us a hand to pull this engine out.
Yeah, right over there. Oi! How many wet bits did you eat this morning? Good grief. Okay, pull that out. Toes it, buddy. Alright, pull it down, mate. High five.
Oi! Oh, that was gold, big little fella. Engine out. Sweet. Well, yeah, that's our, what's that? Our mission today then, DJ? We'll start playing with this.
Yeah, so we'll start stripping this. Actually, no, we won't. We'll put this in the junkyard.
Yeah.
Bring in the new one, clean that one up, and pull the new parts in the new subframe. This can just go and sit in the yard. Apparently, you've got a mate who's after a 138.
Yeah, so PJ from Bonnet Springs Mechanical, if you're watching, mate, got a we got the 138 for you. Woo boy, big horsepower here.
The powerhouse, mate. 1,000 horsepower goodies in the wet.
All right. So we've just come out to the pile of goodies. We've grabbed the subframe off of here, thrown it in the back. We'll just have to hold it in there. She won't go anywhere. So this is what we've got to pull apart and get ready for that other Torana. So I've got the front end from the spare Torana donor cars that DJ's given us. Gone through, wire brushed all the threads, lubed them all up, and just started cracking them all off. But I was looking in the background. Have a look at these two blokes. Let's go sneak up on them. Have a look at them. Out here, working away. If you put your other leg out, mate, you'll be flat out. How you going, big little fella? You getting it?
I'm just trying to get this one undone.
Yeah.
It's nearly there, I'm pretty sure.
How you going down there, big fella?
Not too bad.
Oh, you're trying to undo the radiator hose, are you?
Yeah, probably should have done that before the oil, but...
Oh, it's a proud moment when you're working away and you see your two boys doing that. That's bloody unreal. We've had to help them a couple of times, but otherwise they've sorted most of it out on their own. And Paul, how are you going here, mate? What have you found? What's the drama?
I found that this is pushed back about 2 3/4 inches.
Oh, Lord.
Close the boot. So I put the boot on to get the alignment, and I've measured it up against the good back. We've got a good back out there, but it's all rusted.
Yeah.
But it's not bent.
So we're running on the idea with the timber, a couple of scissor jacks to try and push it out, eh?
Yeah. We'll get it out. You won't know it.
Sweet, we'll come back, hopefully it's all done, eh? And with the power of YouTube, we've got it all disassembled, ready to rebuild. So what I've done, I've just set it up, and we'll just do the lower control arms first, and then we'll do the upper control arms and go from there. See how these other boys are going. Oh, yeah, righto. Smogo. Smogo. Leave me alone, it's Smoko, eh? Working well, Paul. Working well. Happy with it?
Yeah. Getting there, it'll come out. I just don't want to stretch anything that doesn't need to be stretched, you know?
Right.
Anything happening over there?
Yes, it's slowly popping out. Wow, bro. Check it out, everyone.
Well, it's getting there.
How good does that look?
Needs a little bit more massaging, but it'll get there.
Yeah. So Paul had enough of that, jumped onto the front guard. He's got that pretty much sorted. He's happy with that. Just need to give that a bit of love. We got the front door off. I have been stuffing around with that suspension. I got the lower control arms done. I got one upper control arm almost done, and I've been working on the other one. So I've got this one ready for the ball joint to go in, and then we'll put those upper control arm bushes in. But that's pretty much it for day one. Where's DJ at the moment? Is he pissed off again?
He's making us dinner, mate.
He's making us dinner. Oh boy! Hey?
Yeah, boy.
DJ misses. Nah, good on you, bro.
Cheers,
all
man.
right, so yeah, so day one, we've had a pretty good succession. I don't know, we'll probably come back. We'll do a bit more video tonight of us, I don't know, smashing a couple of bottles of confidence and having a yarn.
Yeah, good stuff.
Righto. We are back into it today, and yeah, last night we ended up having a couple of chicken burgers, and everyone sort of passed out. We had a few beers, had a bit of a chat about what we're going to do next, and then this morning we've gotten stuck into a heap of stuff. One mission this morning was to get all the Torana bodies to a spot that's easy to access. So we've got them just parked up out the front of DJ's shed. We've got the engine and cross member all out here, so it clears up the area inside the shed. We ended up bringing DJ's tyre machine into the shed, which helps him out. Yep, so we've got the tyre machine in here for him, so that's all set up, good to go, which is one massive achievement for DJ there, because on his own he said he would have struggled. Anyway, Paul, what are you up to today, mate? What are you getting sorted?
Oh, big job, mate. We've got to replace that whole front clip pretty much. He's a lot worse than we expected. So
Oh, bugger.
we've got a good one, but it's just a big job, so I'm just hooking into that, starting to pick it off.
And what have you done so far?
Just a few spot welds, mate, and I'm going to get rid of this lead now with some heat.
So it's actually joined through here, eh?
Yeah. Look how much bog was in that.
Oh, yep. So actually, I'll take you back outside and show you the nose cone that you're going to use. It's off that red one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
All right. Oh, we on hyperlapse? Or is that DJ?
It's not me.
So this front end is a lot better, a lot straighter, but you never know. No, it's rust there, so it's not full of bog. Remove this front end and that's what he's going to put on. Oh, that bumper looks 10 times better as well. Oh, down here's all nice. Sweet. Well, my turn. What do I have to get into today? I'll continue on with this front end suspension, getting the upper control arms sorted. On these pivot shafts, I'm just trying to get the bushes to spin freely on there because they're a bit sticky-ish. So I'll just linish those down a little bit more, just make sure they're nice and clean. And then we've got to try and work out a spacer to hold the control arm while we press the second bush in. So that's my little mission for the morning. Got these two rat bags. They're off to go sort out the other paddock bashing cars. What are we going to do to them?
I just chuck a battery and a bit of fuel.
Couple of batteries, bit of fuel. Gonna have them sorted out for today. All right, sweet. Righto, the big fella got the Commodore going. Can we see him out there somewhere? He's right out there. So we thought, we better go find him. We better go find him. And here he is. Here he is. He's walked all the way back. Righto, let us know the story, mate. What happened?
So it stopped where like a spot, if you went to go recover it with like the tractor or the car to go get it, you'd have to run over a little bit of the crops. So I tried to push it out of the way. So I probably pushed it from here to the fence or to the power pole a little bit further, just to try get it out of the way. And then I just jumped in it.
Righto. Jump in and we'll go help you. We'll have a look when we get there. So what were you doing in the gravel pit here, mate? What were you doing over there? Did you check if it had water or any of that kind of stuff before you just took it for a thrash?
It doesn't need that.
Doesn't need it? Are you serious? Oh no, connect it up. Will it start? Drive it straight back to DJ's workshop.
Yeah.
Send it. Well, I think that thing has seen its last day. Do you think we should just hand grenade it today? Just put straight on the limiter and see what happens?
Yeah.
Oi, check out Mr. Dodgy over here. What's going on there, Byron?
Hey, this isn't for the camera.
all right.
I'll show you anyway. Now we're out in the bush. What are you going to do? So we've found a bit of water pipe, bit of angle line, another bit of water pipe, and it's working well so far. You happy with this one, DJ? So that,
Well, I'm happy with it because it's not my car.
so that bit there has to continue to turn. So that turns. So
Yep, sweet.
what we'll do, we'll put a bit of rubber grease just between each of these washers, and then that way when we tighten it up, should be
Nice and
lovely.
smooth. Sweet.
Dirty thumbs up. Now I've got the front end all back together-ish, kind of. We've got the big little fella, giving it a quick coat of paint for him. Give us a dirty thumbs up there, buddy. Good work, mate. Nice work. You think Paul's gonna like that?
Yep.
He was gonna love it, right. That's it. Just coat it on there, mate. All over it.
Pretty big moment there, Paul.
Yeah.
Yeah, rest of your front end off.
Paul's got the front end all off now. Happy with that?
Oh, mate, it's a lot of work, but yeah, I'm glad I have. I've got to do it all again with that red one now.
Holy dooly. There's a lot of spot welds there, bro.
Yeah.
That's going to come up a treat. How's it going in here, DJ? Have you finished?
Oh, mate, having a press of a time. Yeah, so these are the upper trailing arms for the diff, and got brand new pushers in there.
They're good to go?
They are good to go, which just depends if we can put the effort in to put the other side in that's actually mounted in the diff.
Oh, yep, the top
So
diff
we're
housing
going
ones.
to find a little rod that we can pull them in and out with.
Actually, we'll measure that up and I'll see if I can make something.
Well, there we go, that'll work out. Yeah, otherwise, the rear assembly is ready to go back together. We're just waiting for them springs from Petters.
Yes. So we just got off the phone to Bevan from Cannington Petters, and he's hooking us up with some suspension for the old Torana. What a legend, Bevo. So yeah, I'll go pick that up next week and bring that out for the boys. Let's have a look at this diff. So this is what DJ is talking about, guys. It's these top mounts here.
They're a real point of difference.
It'd be nice to replace those, and what I'm thinking is if we get, because it's pressed in from the back there,
Press
isn't
that from the back, so we need to pull it back out that way.
So if we drill the rubber out or something like that, and we'll be able to collapse that bush in there and pop that out. But to get the new one in, basically a big panel washer here, something thick,
Yep.
bit of rod, and we make a tube that goes over it and we can pull it in.
Yeah.
And then put the new ones in the freezer just to help, and we'll just lather that in grease. What do you reckon?
Now, so we've got the threaded rod here. We've definitely got all sorts of different types of ID pipe or OD pipe. And yeah, the main thing is just try and get these out, which I'll leave that for you to do.
Yeah, so I'll source some of the stuff for that. I'll try and get some good pulling rod so that way it doesn't snap, because I've actually been shot in the leg with some pulling rod and it's not nice. So I'll make sure we get that sorted out for them. What's the next mission? Paul's over here with the front end. Mate, you don't stuff around, do you?
Mate, it's been a big day.
You're not here to play with DJ's spiders, are you?
No, well I have been. They're not that friendly.
How you going?
Getting there, man. The front's off the other car. Now we've just got to try and unpick all this and get it on. So this is heaps better. This is 1,000 times better than what we've been working with. So we thought it'd be the best to just swap it over.
Yeah,
A
man.
lot of work, but it's going to be worth it.
And the big little fella, giving it one last coat.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, that's it. Just send it all over it. Make it look good. One last walk around of the Torana, because we've got to head off shortly. So I'll be back in another week or so, and we'll be able to see what the boys have gotten up to while I'm away. Paul, you have done an absolute ripper job on this thing so far, and it's only like day 2 or 3. All right, DJ, mate, we'll catch up with you later. How do people keep in touch with what you are up to?
Yeah, well, as you know, I've got the main thing is the YouTube channel, so Automotive Carnage. But yeah, there's a little bit of Facebook and social media stuff, Instagram stuff going on. So
Yep.
yeah,
And Paul, same with you, mate?
Old school only on YouTube and Instagram.
Instagram, all right.
Yeah.
I'll try and put your links all in the description down here, guys. So we've got a little road trip in front of us. We'll be back in another week or so, and we'll see what they're up to, and we'll help them out with picking anything up in town and bringing it out. Righto, dirty thumbs up, and we'll see you when we're looking at you.